What's up, y'all? Welcome back to A Taste of Cafe Nailu, where everything is lip smacking, toe tapping good. Today I'm going to be making pineapple Hennessy upside down cake. So let's get this ball rolling.
All right, here are all the ingredients needed for this delicious, moist, white Hennessy pineapple upside down cake. First off, we're going to put our cake mix in the bowl. Oh, the bag fell in the bowl with the cake mix. We're just going to make sure that's all out. One good thing about a box cake, baby, you can dump it all in at the same time. There's no right or wrong way to make a box cake. It's just 1, 2, 3, and you ready to go. Now, with that said, eggs and butter have been added. So now it's time to pour in my milk. And voila, we all done. With a few extra little things that I need to add in there. All right, now we're adding that secret ingredient, a tablespoon of pineapple juice. Just a tablespoon, just to give it a hint of that pineapple flavor in the cake itself. Here's my melted butter and brown sugar already in the skillet. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of white Hennessy into the butter and sugar mixture. Now it's time to make this thing look pretty and get all these pineapples in the bottom of the skillet on top of that luscious butter and Hennessy and brown sugar. Ooh, this is going to be a deal breaker. I promise you. When you make it, you're going to love it. Now it's ready for you to add these beautiful, sweet, soft cherries in the pineapple ring centers. So just go ahead and do that. All right, everything is in the skillet except for this cake batter. So what you got to do? You got to put that cake batter inside that skillet with those pineapples and those cherries and that luscious butter, brown sugar, and what? Pure white Hennessy. Yeah, that's what I said. I said it. Pure white Hennessy. Get it all dumped in there. And then once you have it all in there, then what you're going to do? You're going to start spreading it around, making sure it's evenly distributed all across the cake. And you want to make sure you have a level cake. So make sure you do this very carefully so your cake won't be lopsided, okay? And then try to seal up the sides the best you can. And now it's time to put it in that preheated 350-degree oven for 45 minutes or until your cake is done through. And then once it's done, it's gonna look just like this, beautiful. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Be blessed.